Alright, so this is our Kutty FS. As you can see, currently the bike is on. In case the bike does not turn on and the battery is fully charged, very first thing you got to check is the display cable. Make sure it is connected, the plug is not loose. Once that is done, next step is you need to charge the battery from here, this port. Charge it for at least 4 to 5 hours and then check its output. Even though if you cannot remove the battery, all you can do is open this locking mechanism and just bend the bike like this, and now you have the access to the battery side prongs. I'll show you how to check the output with the help of voltmeter. Okay, so the battery has these four prongs. The top one is the negative, the very last one, the bottom one, is the positive. Insert your voltmeter prongs into it and set your voltmeter to the DC. It should be reading anywhere between 42 to 30 volt. If the battery is fully charged, it should give you 42 volt reading on the voltmeter. This is not a fully charged battery, but it has enough juice to turn on the bike. So second thing is, make sure the battery is fully charged. If your battery is fully charged, then we need to open this cover plate, and to access the bike controller, you need to remove these four Phillips screws, and then you will have the access to the controller. So the basic idea is, this is your battery, it connects on the male side part, and from the back of this male prongs it will go into the controller. So we need to make sure that your battery is able to deliver the voltage to the controller. It means there is no disconnected wire at the controller end. If that is the case, all you have to do is connect those wire, put everything back, try to turn on the bike and see whether it is turning on or not. So I'm gonna show you how to access the controller now. Okay, so the four screws are removed, and all you have to do is just, this is the broken plate, but all you have to do is just slide the plate, and this is that aluminum box, that is the controller. So gently pull that out, make sure you do not damage any plug or a cable, and we have this controller out. So as you can see from the back of the plate, okay, this is the male prongs on which the battery sits. On the back of it there are two cables, black and red, and it connects over there. So make sure this plug is securely connected. We do have seen few cases where over the time these plugs get loose and they get disconnected and the bike doesn't turn on. So all you have to do is connect them back. If needed, put some electrical tape and then just to make sure everything is connected, you may see this couple of plugs at the controller end that are disconnected. These are two JST female plugs. Two cables are red and two are maroon, so those remains disconnected, but rest of the plug should be connected. So just make sure that as well. Once that is done, you can do is, if your battery is fully charged, and if you can just put the plate back just like this, and if you try to turn on the bike, it should turn on just like this. Now after doing all these check, if the bike is still not turning on, then the next step would be the replacement display. Sometimes this display they go bad, and everything else at the controller and battery, everything is fine. All you need to do is the replacement display, and that will bring the bike back to the life. So do this troubleshooting, do all these checks, and let me know uh, if the display was connected or not. See what is the output of the battery, whether it is charging all the way to 42 volts or not, or it is not taking the charge. Because if the battery is not good, okay, the bike will not turn on either. So do these checks and let me know how it goes. Thank you.